Tendinitis. Introduction. Tendons are the tough cords of tissue that attach muscles to bones. Select true or false. Correct. People only develop tendinitis by engaging in activities that require repetitive joint movement. Select true or false. Correct. There are many causes of tendinitis. Some people get tendinitis by overusing a joint or by repeated injury to a joint. Other people develop it as the result of another medical condition or old age. Which of the following occupations puts a person at risk for developing tendinitis? Choose one of the following options. 1. Athlete. 2. Carpenter. 3. Gardener. 4. All of the above. Correct. Performing repetitive motions at work or at home raises your risk for developing tendinitis. For this reason, all of the occupations mentioned place people at a higher risk for tendinitis. Using an ice pack on the affected area is the best treatment for chronic tendinitis. Select true or false. Correct. An ice pack may help relieve pain for cases of acute tendinitis, not chronic tendinitis. Warming up or stretching before a physically demanding activity can help prevent tendinitis. Select true or false. Correct. Preparing for a physical activity can prevent inflammation or reduce the pain caused by inflammation. Thank you for using Explain.